got to get the rest of this side molding off.
One eternity later.
What's up, you guys? So I'm all wrapped up taking the side molding off, and just like last time, it's gonna have to be a work in progress because I am beat. So I got most of it off. There's definitely some glue left behind that we'll have to work on later, but for today the side molding is off, and that's exactly what I wanted to get accomplished. So the molding's off both sides. It is time to put that whole nightmare behind me. But there's one last thing that I want to do today. All right, so there's nothing like wrong with this battery, but 10 of 16, we're coming up on 4 years old. These batteries, this is like the O'Reilly special right here. These are pretty cheap, funky batteries. You know what? It might go another year, 2 years, but I say we just replace it. So the battery that came out of this thing, a Superstar Premium, like I mentioned before, this is an entry-level battery. This one was born 10 of 16, and it's not a bad battery, but if I was going to replace it, I'd probably replace it with something better, but I said probably. What we're replacing it with is the exact same thing, but this one is 720, which I feel like is a little bit more reliable, so let's get this thing in there. Right, the whole battery thing worked out. You know, unfortunately, even for this thing being just an older 4x4, it just looks so good clean like this. Makes me want to keep it clean all the time, but I'm telling you guys, it is a full-time job keeping this truck super clean. I've told you guys I've had 50 cars in my life. Well, actually, this one is number 51, and besides that Lexus that I had super quick that was black, this is only my second black vehicle. I usually stick to white. White has to be my #1 favorite color for trucks. As you guys can tell from the Tundra I have, I totally washed this thing up today. It looks so good. This thing probably hasn't been washed in like 3 weeks or something, and that is great. So, white's my favorite color. I'm gonna have to say second favorite color is silver. Just so happens we have this silver Sequoia right here. You know, I keep thinking lately about taking these things off and just putting them on the T100 to see how it looks. I mean, they're a 33, they're a 10-inch wide wheel. The offset's a little strange, so they don't stick out a bunch, but I really like this wheel and tire, and I keep thinking about just taking them off and throwing them on the T100, but I think my wife would flip out. All right, next day here, guys, and you know what? I am tired of tinkering on the truck for the moment, so I decided to get out, get some fresh air. I know the truck likes it. I'm pretty happy about it too. We'll see if we have to use four-wheel drive. I highly doubt it, but anyways, we're out here. It's a beautiful day. It looks like the sun's just coming out, and so the truck's looking good. I'm super happy with where it's at, but the thing I got to do next, you guys, is those wheels. And there's not a lot of different variety in a 15 by 10. So I know the wheel I'm gonna go with. It's a pretty basic wheel, but the number one question I have, which I need your guys' help because I'm gonna pull the trigger in a couple days and get these wheels coming. Do I get polished or do I get black? Okay, that is the question. So the reason I'm so conflicted about what wheel to get is because you see we got the chrome on the front grille and on the front bumper and the T100 badge and the door handle. So I think with the polished wheels, I think between all of those, it would really look good. But also with the black wheels, I mean, the whole truck's black. Usually, you know, like as you guys know, on my Tundra, I have, you know, red coils and a bunch of cool painted stuff going on underneath the suspension, but this thing is just black. This thing is just blacked out pretty much everywhere. So I'm thinking that the black wheels would just carry on with the whole black theme. So I need you guys to help me decide black or polished. I really got to figure it out, you guys, because I'm gonna get these going in just a couple days. So let me know. Please leave a comment down below. You even believe that I have that Tundra sitting at home and that I would rather drive this thing? I don't know what it is. Not only does this thing fit into parking spots, and it's actually a lot easier to maneuver than the Tundra, it's just something about it. You know, I know that I have special ties to this vehicle because, you know, this is what people were driving when I grew up, but man, this T100, the only problem is those wheels. I can't wait to get those 15 by 10s and just get them sticking out a little bit. Being very cautious with the offset. You know, it's weird. I'm actually putting more thought into the wheels I'm gonna get on this thing than I did on the Tundra. Now, I know some of you guys are probably thinking, why are you gonna keep those 33s? Why are you gonna just keep 15-inch wheels? But as you guys know, I just got the 22s and the 35s on the Tundra a few months ago, and there is no way I'm gonna go spend another huge chunk of money on wheels and tires for this thing. I kinda like that the Tundra has the whole modern look going on, and this thing kinda has the whole old school thing going on. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and just rock these 15s for a while. I really think with a better offset, these wheels will actually look really good. Right, you guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, but seriously, you have got to leave a comment down below. Let me know, black wheels or polished wheels. What do you guys think would look better? I'm gonna go ahead and get these things coming in a couple days, so I really need you guys' input. I'm gonna go hit up some of these trails though right now, maybe throw it in four-wheel drive, we'll see. I wish I had a way to film it, but I really don't, and I kinda just wanna focus on the truck right now, so we'll get out here again and film some stuff later on. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more great videos. All right, I'm out.